Hi, this is M. Prasad Nayu. Today we are discuss about the colorimetry. So, it is an instrument of biochemistry part. So, what is colorimetry and how it is functions and principles and how abnormals like biochemical samples will estimate in the colorimetry. They will discuss about this topic. So, it is the most common colorimetry is the most common analytical technique used for biochemical estimations in clinical laboratory. So, it is involved in the quantitative estimations of color. So it is a color based, like colorimetrics, color based on reactions. So a substance to be estimated colorimetrical, most must be colored or should be capable forming of like chromogens, like chromogens color complex through the additional addition of reagents. So colored substance absorb the light like relations to their color intensity. The color intensity will be it gives like proportional to the concentration of colored substances. The instrumental instruments used in these methods, colorimetry or photometry or absorptiometry. So how principles of they have property absorbs certain the wavelength light when monochromatic to pass through them. So the amount of absorbed light transmitted to colored solutions. So according to laws like Beer's law and Lambert's law, these are the two laws of principles based on colorimetry. So how it is means, Beer's law means the way when a monochromatic light passes through the colored solution, so the solution amount of light transmitted to the decreases exponentially, which in the concentration of colored substances, in the amount of light absorbed by the colored solutions is directly proportional to the concentration of substances in the colored solutions. So Lambert's law, what is Lambert's law? How it is Lambert's law is working means the amount of light is transmitted to decrease the exponential promotion exponential exponential with increases the path length diameter of the cuvette or thickness colored solutions which light passes. So the amount of light absorbed colored solutions depends on the path length of cuvette's thickness or depend it is colored solutions. Combined Beer's law, Lambert's law. Beer's law and Lambert's law, combined Beer's law and Lambert's law is the expressed amount of light transmitted through the colored solutions decrease the exponential with increases the concentration of colored solution and increases the concentration colored solution and increases in the path lengths of cuvette and thickness of the colored solutions. So that means light source slit. Here is light source is filament like tungsten filament lamp, and some slit is adjustable, allows the only the beam light passes through the prevents the unwanted strat light, and condensing lens is the light after passing through the slit falls and condense the lens, which gives a parallel beam of light. So next is filter. Filters means it makes colored glass. Filter is used for selecting light a narrow wavelength. The filter is absorbs the light like unwanted wavelength, allow the only monochromatic light to pass through. So for example, a green filter absorbs all colors except the green light, which allowed to pass through the light transmitted through the filter has wavelength form is 500 to 560 nanometers. Filter is used always complementary in color to the color solutions. So some cuvette sample holders, monochromatic light monochromatic light forms to filter passes through the colored solution placed in a cuvette. So it's made up of a special glass plastic quartz material. It is a maybe secure rectangular round shaped with the fixed diameter, usually 1 centimeter, having uniform surface. Colored solution, the cuvette absorb part of light remaining allowed to fall and detected. For example, solution is red color means the transmit red color absorb the complementary color green. The detector, coming to the detector, the photocell detector or photosensitivity element which converts the light energy to electric energy. Like the energy is single generated is directly proportional to the intensity of light falling on the detector. Output, the electrical signal generated in the photocell measured by the galvanometer, which displays percent transmission and optical density. So how it is means the uses of this test and standard blanks. So these are three we are using here: test, standard, blank. So in colorimetric solution, it is necessary from prepare the blank and standard or test. Coming to the test is this is the solution prepared treating with the specific volume of blood, urine, CSF and extra also with reagents, some of this. Some why is the standard we will maintain here. So the standard is prepared by treating solution with pure substances of unknown concentration with reagent. Primary standard, the same substances is used as a standard on which is to be estimated. For example, pure glucose is taken as a standard estimation of blood glucose. The secondary standard is here substances taken as a standard is different from the substances to be estimated. These substances taken as a standard should match the color finally product. So for example, methyl red is taken standard in estimations of serum bilirubin. So how it is means this coming to the blank is a major object here. That means the prepared rule out color is produced by reagent. None. So alone is two types of blank: distilled water as a blank and reagent blank. Reagent is used in the estimation is taken as a blank. Calculation: the substance in milligrams by 100 grams by 100 ml. So OD test means optical density test my optical density blank by OD standard or OD blank. So concentration of standard by volume test sample into 100. Applications of colorimetric assay used for determination of amount of many substances in blood, urine, saliva, CSF and all lot of specimens here we are using. So example, common colorimetric assay determines the blood glucose, blood urea, serum creatinine, proteins like serum cholesterol and inorganic phosphates and urine creatinine, also pool glucose and finally CSF also. So there are a lot of functions in here we are using by using the colorimetric method. We are based on color reactions like Beer's law and Lambert's law, two principles are using here. So why this colorimetric means there are a lot of functional, biochemical functional, that means metabolisms. So that metabolisms based on some disorders. So that disorders to detect that disorders means by using this colorimetric we will know how the disease occurs, how the disease will be formed, what are the disease conditions like some creatinine, some neurological, some nephrological disorder, renal disorders. So we can easily find out, and some blood glucose, these mean that diabetes like that, some disorders we will find out. So this colorimetric very useful for the health and medical and role. So biochemical aspect, coming to biochemical, so biochemistry and clinical laboratory, colorimetry is the major and a very important role in colorimetric method. Thank you.